Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best indoor basketballs available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a casual player, a serious athlete, or just looking for a quiet ball for indoor use, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Wilson NBA DRV Series basketball. This is our budget pick, priced at just $20.88. Making it an excellent option for younger athletes or those looking for a cost-effective option for casual indoor use. With official NBA branding and Wilson's iconic script, it certainly looks the part, even at this price point. The performance cover is designed for grip on rough surfaces, but it works adequately indoors as well. It's smaller in size at 22 inches, which is ideal for youth players or people with smaller hands. The inflation retention lining ensures the ball retains air longer, meaning less frequent adjustments. However, keep in mind that it's primarily designed for outdoor use, so it doesn't have the same soft touch feel as higher-end indoor-specific basketballs. While the DRV series is durable and affordable, it lacks the premium grip and control you'd get with pricier options. It's perfect for kids or casual players who just want to shoot some hoops without breaking the bank. However, if you're a more serious player, you might want to invest in something with better cushioning and a softer texture. At number 4, we have the Ninja Silent Basketball by Nero Sport. This unique indoor basketball is designed specifically for quiet play, making it a great choice for families, apartment dwellers, or anyone who wants to practice without disturbing others. Priced at $25.50, it's a step above the budget range, but offers a very specific set of features. The ball is crafted from premium foam, making it lightweight and soft. The quiet bounce technology significantly reduces noise while dribbling, so you can practice your skills at any time of day or night. It's a size 3 ball, which is smaller than regulation size, but that makes it great for kids, beginners, or even casual play indoors. However, this also means it's not suitable for competitive or advanced gameplay. The Ninja Silent Basketball is perfect for its intended purpose: quiet, casual play. The foam material ensures it won't damage walls or furniture, which is a bonus for indoor use. The downside? It's not as durable as rubber or composite balls, and it doesn't provide the feel of a professional basketball. Still, for what it is, it's a fantastic option for a very specific audience. Coming in at number 3 is the Silent Basketball by ALDWDY. This size 7 basketball is a standout for its innovative airless design and quiet performance. Priced at $25.49. It's made from high-quality PU foam, designed to replicate the feel of a standard basketball while keeping noise levels to a minimum. One of the highlights of this ball is its textured surface and grooved channels, which provide excellent grip and control. The foam material also ensures that it's safe for indoor play and won't damage furniture or walls. Unlike smaller silent basketballs, this one comes in regulation size, making it suitable for players who want a realistic practice experience but need something quiet for indoor use. Its bounce is impressively close to that of a standard basketball, which is a big win for an airless foam ball. However, while it's great for quiet indoor play, the foam material isn't as durable as rubber or composite leather, so it may not hold up as well over time. Overall, it's an excellent choice for players who want a realistic feel in a noise-friendly package, especially for indoor practice sessions. At number 2, we have the Wilson NBA Authentic Indoor-Outdoor Basketball. Priced at $49.95, this ball strikes a great balance between affordability and performance. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor play, making it a versatile choice for players who want one ball for all surfaces. This basketball features a moisture management cover, which wicks away sweat to maintain grip during intense games. The dual-depth technology in the channels enhances control, while the EverBounce construction ensures a consistent bounce every time you play. With official NBA branding, it's an attractive option for those who want a professional look and feel. The Wilson NBA Authentic Basketball is a solid all-around choice, but it doesn't quite match the premium feel of higher-end indoor basketballs. However, Its durability and grip make it an excellent choice for players who split their time between indoor and outdoor courts. It's a versatile, mid-range option that delivers great value for the price. Finally, at number 1, we have the Wilson Evolution Indoor Game Basketball. This is the premium option on our list, priced at $99.99, and it's worth every penny for serious players. The Evolution is the #1 indoor game basketball in America, and it's easy to see why. The cushioned core carcass provides the signature soft feel that players love, making the ball easier to grip and control. The Evo microfiber composite cover offers both exceptional grip and impressive durability, ensuring the ball lasts through countless games. The laid-in composite channels create a consistent texture across the entire surface, giving players unparalleled control. It's even NFHS approved, making it suitable for high school-level competition. This basketball is ideal for competitive players who demand the best performance from their gear. The grip, bounce, and overall feel are leagues above the competition. The only downside? The price. But if you're serious about your game, the Wilson Evolution is an investment that will pay off in the long run. It's the ultimate choice for indoor basketball. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy hooping.